Good morning, dear students. Here is your mathematics class. Today we will learn counting backwards. So say with me: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is backwards counting. What is backwards? When we are moving back, that is the backwards counting. Like if you have to go ahead, that is forward counting. When we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the forward counting. When we are coming back and count it like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is backwards counting. Count and write the correct number in each box. Now you have to count the pencil and write the number in the box. Count it. Put your finger and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what you have to write in the box? 10. Now count these pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What you have to write here? 9. So this is forward counting. We are counting and writing in the box. So count all that pencils and write in the box. Here trace and write the numbers 10 to 1. So let's learn backwards counting with these stairs. This is the stairs. When you have to go upwards, you count the stairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now repeat with me. Now you have to curve downwards. That is backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat with the teacher and learn it. Backwards counting 10 to 1. Now you have to write in this box 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. While writing, you have to take out your pencil and write in the given box 10, 9, 8. You have to speak along with writing. While writing, you have to speak 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, you have to complete all these boxes. Now the next question is write the missing numbers. 10 is written. What you have to write next? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So write here in the given box. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to write in the given heels. Okay, write in the heels. Now here is one rhymes for fun. So we will recite the rhyme. Rhyme is like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go again. We read it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go again. Once what happened? I have caught a fish. What is this, children? This is fish. Here a boy is there and the boy has caught the fish. So the boy is singing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go again. Then the other boy is asking, that fish is asking this, why did you let it go? This girl is asking, why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. So the boy is saying, the girl is asking, why did you let it go again? क्यों तुमने छोड़ दिया? तो बॉय बोल रहा है, बिकॉज इट बिट माई फिंगर सो, उसने मेरी फिंगर में काट लिया, उसने उसके फिंगर में काट लिया, इसलिए उसने उसको छोड़ दिया. विच फिंगर डिड इट बाइट? कौन सी फिंगर में काटा? द लिटिल फिंगर ऑन माई राइट. तो बॉय बोलता है, मेरे राइट हैंड की लिटिल फिंगर को उसने काटा. किसने काटा? फिश ने काटा. ठीक है. नाउ यू हैव टू रिसीव नेक्स्ट. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Here is a dog with a walking stick. So here 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Here is dog with a walking stick. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoy eating hot cross bun. So this is the rhyme. Now you can eat hot cross bun. So this is the rhyme. You have to learn and read again and again. What is the rhymes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right. 10, 9, 8, 7. Here is a dog with walking stick. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoy eating hot cross bun. Now here is fun to find. Now here we have fun. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? मज़ा करेंगे. Find and circle the number names in the word grid and write them in given boxes. Now you have to write the number names. See here what is written? 1. Then you have to find the number 1 in this box. Where is 1? What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. So you have to circle it and write in the box O-N-E, 1. Now what is the next number? 2. Now find it out. 2. अब बताओ तो 2 कहाँ है? डूडू डूडू देखो मिल गया टीचर को. TWO 2. So here you have to write TWO 2. Now find it out. 3. 3. Where is 3? Just check it. Where is 3? Did you get it? मिल गया आपको? टीचर को तो नहीं मिला अभी. Find it out. Where is 3? What is the spelling of 3? THREE 3. THREE 3. Yes, I got it. THREE 3. This way you have to circle and write in the box. Now find it out. 4. Where is 4? What is the spelling of 4? FOUR 4. FOUR 4. I got number 4. Clear, children? So find all the numbers, circle it and write in this box. Clear? Next is what? Help rabbit find the carrots by drawing a line. Now you have to draw a line and find the carrots by drawing a line. अब क्या करना है? इस रैबिट को क्या लेना है? कैरेट लेना है. अब बताओ तो कैसे कैरेट लेने जाएगा रैबिट? रास्ता बंद नहीं होना चाहिए. अभी चलो हम रैबिट हैं, अब हम इस रास्ते से जाएंगे. दिस इज़ द वे दैट रैबिट इज़ गोइंग टू टेक आउट द to take the carrot. This line, this line, this line, this here, 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 here. Oh, it is very easy. I reached to take the carrot. Rabbit has got the carrot. Now rabbit is happy. So you have to draw line on that way, that how rabbit will go to take the carrot. Okay, if rabbit will go through this way, down right side, that it will be able to go. No, here the road is blocked. यहाँ क्या है, रास्ता बंद है, इसलिए रैबिट को ऊपर वाले ही रास्ते से जाना पड़ेगा. So all the children do it and enjoy the class. Thank you.